Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stream on Discord. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open your Discord app, either it is a mobile app or desktop or web app. After that, you will need to join any channel that you have or that you are in. So I'm just going to join the server, and from here, I will need just to join this voice chat or voice channel. So from now or from here, I will need just to search for the streaming button, and basically, I will find here share your screen, and by clicking on share your screen, you will be able to start either sharing or streaming your applications, capture device, or even screens. So now I'm just going to choose uh, our Discord page or app, and basically now I'm on live. And as you can see, any movement that I do, it is being streamed on the Discord. And if you want to manage the streaming quality or streaming settings, you will need just to click on share your screen, choose stream quality, and start choosing from these choices. And basically, some choices need the nitro or to have nitro. So basically, you will need to pay for these features. And of course, you can choose the stream quality before going live. So from here, you can start choosing either you want to have HD stream and the frame rate option, etc. So basically, this is how you can go stream or go live on Discord. Thank you for watching and see you next time.